Welcome everybody, my name is Alex Douedari and this is a new format here on my YouTube channel. We had the idea of discussing a couple things that we see out there, really in order to, give you my point of view of what I'm seeing there and to give you also the ability to really look at things the way they are, not just be taken advantage of, actually, is the way I see it, but you make up your own mind what you think about it. And today my team gave me a couple videos to choose from because I don't usually go out and look for these kinds of stuff, but it's very quite amusing if you spend some time on it. And we're gonna start with a fantastic video today. Let me just start with here. Wait, make a smaller bubble. So we are going to speak about, to watch together, the Millionaire Trader. Because you know what, if I needed to come up with a name for this show, I would call it the Where Does Their Money Come From show. Because literally, it's super important that you understand every game in this world plays after the same rules. The same rules apply, If you don't understand why someone is doing something, what are his or her incentives to do what they are doing, then you will never really be able to master that game. So really my intention in this thing here is to uncover intentions, maybe, or to at least not take anything just at face value, but to put effort into it and go into the details. So let's get started here with the Millionaire Trader of FX Lifestyle Forex. Let's go. Ha! If it wants to start, here we go. Okay, nice.
You see, growing up for me wasn't always that easy. No money, failing at school, seeing my parents struggle, dropping out of college at 17 with no qualifications. It came to a point where I could say I was completely lost in life.
So look, he starts exactly like he's showing you, like, man, I'm the biggest screw up that existed in this world. Like, everything was bad. I was bad at school and nothing was working out. And I came from the bottom, basically. Which, okay, I don't, like, look, guys, I don't mind the from zero to hero story. In fact, I did something like that of my own. But the point is really to see where does the story lead to. So number one, he's now appealing to, hey guys, I'm a screw up, everybody can do what I'm doing. So let's see how it continues from here.
But I made a promise to my parents that one day
to his
things would
parents.
change. So I started staying up late, trading Forex and investing the last bit of money I had.
So listen, guys, I have an issue with that. Invest your last bit of money. He's saying, like, I'm a screw up, and the last little bit that I had, I invested it in Forex and stood up late at night to really make it work. And again, the idea of putting effort into something to make it work is super right and important. There's no other way, I know at least, that works. But at the same time, I think it's questionable if you kind of appeal to people to invest their last little bit of money into, let's have a look at further. Maybe this guy has a great offer. Maybe I'm wrong here. We'll find out. But the way it starts off is really hard. Like, he's picking on insecurities, like, oh, I'm such a screw up, and I invested my last little bit of money, kind of telling you passively, you can do that too, invest your last bit of money. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
I started seeing changes. I was able to pay my mum's debt off. I was able to
Yeah,
travel
sure.
the world with my family.
Everybody
And
wants to make
I
his
changed
parents
thousands of my
proud.
members'
It's
lives
normal.
with my Forex course that taught them how to trade Forex like me and let them
So
copy my
fxlifestyle.com.
exact
Come on,
trades with
I need to go to this website now. I need to have a look at it. So, what do those guys offer exactly? Let's have a look here. So, free Forex trader signals. Nice R8 here. Come on, this is like a typical landing page, VSL format. Same music.
FX
All right, the
members
same
make
thing.
Over $5 million in profits through our
5
Forex
million in
trading
profit.
services.
Nice. Let me click a little bit
Simply
through
by
this
copying
here.
our signals. You don't do a thing.
You see, you don't do a thing. All you do is copy his signals.
Simply by copying our signals. You don't do a thing. All you do is copy. We do all the hard work and analyze the market to make.
So guys, let me invite you into the world of math, okay? Take a spreadsheet and just make 5% a month, which you think is little. I don't think it is, but anyway. Make 5% a month and keep doing that. Look at the compounding effect of where you actually, how much money you make in what quick amount of time. Now the question is, if this guy does all this, why would he? Why would he give or want others to just copy his signals, like for the 15 whatever bucks it is? Because I don't even think that the money that he's making from the signals, if you pay him for a subscription, is the actual money that he makes. So he wants you to copy his signals, and let's just assume these signals would not be working. Where do these losses go to? Who's making that money? Because there's someone on the other side, right? If you don't know, stay tuned. Let's see. We'll explain that more.
Sure, we send you the most profitable Forex signals.
Most
You don't have to
profitable
sit at a
Forex
computer
signals.
all day or look at your phone all day. You just copy and paste the trade that we send you from your
Just
phone.
copy,
to your
paste, and
laptop.
everything's
You
gonna
get
work
huge
out.
amounts of money, so I got interested in trading. I started allowing people from all over the world to join the fxlifestyle.com group.
All right, so
I
he's
guess you're
allowing
wondering
people
how
to
you can
join.
join.
That's nice.
Keep watching
Nice of him,
videos
isn't it?
Financial market with over 5.1 trillion.
Yeah, and that 5 trillion figure or whatever trillion every day. That's true. But, the reason why the currency market is so large, because there's currency exchange needs, right? When Apple buys stuff or sells stuff in Europe, it needs to convert to dollars, or the other way around. Or when you source material from one country, you take it to another. There's commerce going on in the world. It's called the economy. So that's why there's a need for currency transactions. This has nothing to do with speculation and trading. That volume actually that is being traded and speculated is probably not close to that, But just so you understand where this number comes from, like, wow, it must be this insane, great, fantastic market. I'm losing out, right? You're missing out. No, you're not.
Per day. That means it's way bigger than the stock market. How it works is very
Way
simple.
bigger than the stock market.
You just buy or
Yeah.
sell a currency with one click of a button. You
Okay, so enough. Let's have a look further here. So profit made by members, 5 million, almost 6 million, 53,000 members. So look, the guy has credentials. So Forbes, Wall Street Journal, NBC, Fox News, the New York Times. All right, let's have a. Oh, you can click those. Let's check them out. So, what's this? The American Reporter. No, Monday, July 5th. This is today. No, this is yesterday. What's that? 250K a month. Started with $60. Okay. So this is not Forbes, right? Maybe Wall Street Journal? The American Reporter. NBC. The American Reporter. What's the American Reporter anyway? Like, who are you guys? Oh, nice. Look, all this cash and the more screens. Like, okay, if this was trading, then you would find all investment banks having those kind of offices, right? But they don't seem to have. Like, why? Because this is not how it works, guys. And, either way, this is just, appealing to people that are being drawn by the light, And again, in general, to get interested into trading because it can give you a certain lifestyle and enable you some freedoms. I'm totally down with that for sure. But in this fashion, like, how is this guy making his money? Where does his money come from? So, and who's the American Reporter anyway? Let's just see. Contact us. Who are you guys? In Boston. All right. Is this a U.S. American phone number? I don't think. +91, right? It's not. We could check that. +91. Let's see what comes here. It's India. All right, so the American Reporter is in Boston, but has an Indian phone number. Great. Okay, let's maybe Fox News. The American Reporter. Maybe the New York Times. The American Reporter. Okay, so we're not getting anywhere here. That was pointless. Okay, try VIP signals. 4.9 stars rated. Okay, let's have a look at those. And actually, no, go back. I want to open it as a tab. I don't want to miss the fun on the main page, right? So, and also 4.9 stars. Come on, that's pretty good. So, join the VIP Forex signals. Start earning big profits. Start using VIP signals. Earn profits like a pro. Get started. Profit by members. So how do we get started? How do I join? I want to grow my account. Look, members made 250K in a month. Oh, and here we see that. Okay. So this is what the members made. Great. So how does it work? Let's join. I want to join. Okay, so this is $9 instead of 174. So he's giving you instant access to all this great stuff. Signal said it's going to make him a billionaire in a year's time for $9 a month. Why would he do that? Like, why would he do that? After you join, you receive lifetime access. Okay, bonus. This is all the members. Let's see what they're saying.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mike. I've been using FX Lifestyle Signals for just about a month and a half now. I've made a couple $100 in profit already. Started with a $40 account and grew it to...
Okay, a couple $140. That's not too bad of a story. What happens is the purchasing. Okay, so... Oh, the American Reporter again. Let's move here. How much money can you make? Get free signals. New to Forex. Learn more. I want to learn more. Come on. How does it work? Follow the 3 steps. Sign up to VIP signals. So $9 a month, right? Open a Forex broker account. Start making profit. So Forex broker account. That can be quite interesting or important, in fact, to understand how that somebody is likely making money, because it's not from the $9. Think about it. If he had 1,000 members, he'd make $9K a month, you know, and that's before taxes and anything. So how he's gonna afford this stuff? Oh, you know, and I already got where is it? IQ options. Sign up. Regulated. Works worldwide. Best Forex broker. Okay, we'll sign up in a minute. Give me a second. I just want to see, you know, watch through the videos a little bit more. 1 second. Okay, come on.
Signals. I moved into my dream mansion worth $6 million. Forex trade.
So $6 million mentioned. All right. By the way, you can rent stuff, you know. I'm renting. I'm not owning the house I live in because I'm using my money for trading. So why put up the, you know, but anyway, maybe he's renting too. $6 million mention.
It didn't change my life for the better.
Maybe he has 100,000 followers. Then he's making 900,000 a month, right? Probably. Does he has 100,000 followers? How many views do we have? 88,000. No, he doesn't have 100,000 followers. Doesn't make sense, right? Because this is a 2-year-old video and barely has 90,000 views. So if he had like big type of followers or page, it's probably gonna have a higher view number, right? I mean, this is obviously a guesstimate, so free to make your math yourself, but it can't be that much. So definitely that's a reason to assume why the guy is not making the money from the subscription fees. So obviously he's making money from his trading. Come on, like what am I talking about? It's a bit sarcasm here, but let's move on.
Has changed my life.
Changed his life. And you know what, guys? That's really the tricky part. Trading changed my life, absolutely. You know, but how do you get to a trading result or a possibility to change your life from trading? He doesn't say anything. He just tells you, continue to be lazy, continue to, you know, smoke weed, get stuck in your parents' basement, and you're going to become an automatic millionaire by just, you know, following his signals kind of thing. You know, so that's the communication I'm getting here, the message. So is that really true? I don't think it is, and I'll also show you why. Look, guys, I'm biased for sure. I've been in the Forex industry, or I have been in the Forex industry for over 15 years. So I know exactly what the incentives are, so maybe I'm playing a little bit here. But I want to show you also how it works and how you can find out yourself. It's not that complicated, really, if you use your eyes, your common fucking sense, sorry for that, and, you know, you'll be much less of a bait or prey, actually, for predators out there. So let's continue. The music again. Copy, extremely profitable, extremely profitable. So maybe I can speed this up a little bit, just a little bit. What do he need free screens for? Like free laptops. More screens, I understand, actually. I have them back here. So
So I just
10:20 a.m.
took the first trade of the day, 4 minutes in, and I'm hoping to make some nice profits today as usual. I just sold Euro USD, and I'm looking to make a nice 4-figure profit on that trade, hopefully. And, you know, the markets, they're looking really slow right now, so I'm not...
Okay, markets are slow. Okay, sometimes slow, sometimes fast, right? So you always can pick up a story. But, you know, the thing is that there is no real information about how is he trading it. There's no information whatsoever. What's the strategy? What's the idea? What's the specifics of what you're doing, mate? Let's see.
Actually going to take any more trades right now, but it's early morning. I'm going to have some breakfast, and, you know, I'll come back to the trades anytime soon.
All right, enjoy your breakfast.
So I've been trading Forex now for at least 6 to
The
7
screens
years.
are great.
And I started playing around at the age of 16. I've basically mastered in the last few.
So at the age of 16, 2014, that video is 2019. So 16, you know, plus 5 years. Okay, so he's barely 21 years old, which is okay. I mean, age ain't nothing but a number, as they say. But okay, so he's saying that he's been in the game for a number of years. In fact, from a little age on.
Years. It actually took me some time to fully master, but in the last 3 years, I've been hitting consistent profit. This month alone, over 83% of my trades have hit profit.
Okay, so that number we need to discuss for a moment. 83%. What does it mean? Like, it suggests that he has a high hit rate, you know, like a high number of trades that he makes. Actually, he brings them home. But this number doesn't tell us anything about the actual profit. I'll tell you also why. You could have 99% hit rate, and you could just screw up one big trade, and it ends you up being in a loss. So the hit trades, the percentage of a trade alone, doesn't take you anywhere. Literally, you know, it's not really a measure that can communicate any sort of quality of what it is that you do. It's really just a number that you put out there. 90% hit rate, 83% hit rate. Like, guys, you know, just think about it. You could trade, let's just say you made 1,000 trades. You made 999 trades with 0.01 lots. And then you made one trade with 10 lots that killed it all. You know, this is so misleading. This is so one-sided way of narrative that this is a red flag to me immediately. You know, it's not even complicated to understand. But guys, I want to know more about his broker now, because this is where the actual money is. Literally, where your money goes to. And so let's have a look. Where were the brokers? Recommended Forex brokers up here. So who does he work with? Trader's Way and IQ Option. Trader's Way, join for free. Minimum deposit, just $10. Come on. Accept clients worldwide. Accept clients worldwide means they're also accepting U.S. clients. That's kind of the reason. Most or a lot of brokers do not accept U.S. clients. Why? Because the regulation in the U.S. is so strict. Or the regulation for U.S. clients extremely strict, and most international companies cannot do that if they're in a regulated space. However, if they're in an unregulated space, an offshore broker, they may do that because, yeah, they don't have fucking rules to follow too much. So, in a way, you know, if you join such kind of offshore company, you really need to know the people behind it, or know that the company's legit, because from a obligation perspective, they don't have many obligations because they operate in a non-regulated space, right? They're not needed to. So I open a new tab. So who is Trader's Way? Contact us. Come on, guys. I want to start with that. So, do you see? I don't see a company name like Trader's Way, Intermarket Brokerage Services, U.S. number. Here we go. Phone number. Customer service, telephone, fax. Let's chat. No, I don't see anything. Like, who are you guys? What's the name of the company? Where are you situated? Located? Anything? Do you know anything? No. Do I verify account? Do I need to verify account? Of course you need to, right? KYC? Yes. They do KYC at least. Okay. KYC means know your client. Like, every broker needs to have information about the client they're opening accounts for. You know, the name of the client, the address of the client, and they need to verify it with documents like identity card and stuff like that. So, demo account. What is your commission? ECN, beginner trade. Can a beginner trade? Yes, of course can a beginner trade. Okay, so we don't see any information about those guys. Who they are they regulated, which company they're in, can I send them a letter, anything? Nothing. I don't see anything. So another red flag. Who are those guys? I don't know. So let's have a look at the other brand, which is IQ Options, which I happen to know the brand. Same kind of thing. And it says even regulated. You see when it says, even here it says regulated. And it doesn't even show on the website for Traders Way. So another inconsistency, red flag, right? So let's have a look at IQ Option. Let me change the language to English. Here we go. English, my friend. It's not letting me. Why? Come on. So I managed to make it English now. And look, first thing you notice, this is a not the website of the company itself. It's called IQ Broker, but LP, landing page, up here. Mobile partner, and then affiliate, 28216. So this is basically the ID of the guy with the broker. And this is how I changed the language, by the way. This was DE, and I made it EN, and then it made it English. So this is what I mean about understanding details can really help you. And I'm by no means a coder, but it is so simple. So this is a landing page. This is how online marketing works, Like an affiliate sends his traffic to a dedicated landing page. This is what's happening here. So invest in the world's most popular assets, why IQ Option, award-winning platform, build investing foundation, some education here, not completely bad. What our clients say, it's simple to get started. Okay. So this is the landing page of the guy, basically, So let's go to the main page itself. IQ Option. And it goes to DE automatically. Basically, probably takes my language of the computer. Let me try EN if it works. Boom. Here we have English. So, regulated SISEC, license 24714. So this is at least has European regulation, with the SISEC meaning the regulator in Cyprus. Okay, minimum investment, deposit withdrawals, free practice. Okay, let's go to regulation. And you can see, like this company, for example, they have a license in SISEC. Then they are authorized in the European Economic Area. There you see it. EEA is European Economic Area. FCA, so they're also registered in the UK. They're also registered in Italy. Here we go. They're also registered in Spain. They're also registered in more and more countries, Monaco as well, and France, Netherlands. Okay, so there's a number of these regulations, and you don't really know why, like so many. It seems like, okay, there's companies everywhere, and this is kind of what these brokers also do. They have a number of regulations, and they kind of shuffle their clients to their offshore entities. Because on the regulated side, and we could go back here to the main page, and you could see, because it's a SISEC regulated, the maximum leverage is a 1-30. If we go back to Traders Way, for example, let's have a look what kind of leverage they're offering. It's not showing here. Let's see accounts. No, variable spread. Maybe he mentions it here. No. But I'm sure those guys have probably very, very high leverage, because that's kind of the play of the brokers. The higher the leverage you have, the faster you lose your money, And this is actually statistics about it. 90% of the people roughly use 90% of their money, lose 90% of their money in 90 days. And I'll get to that figure in a moment, what it means also, why it's important. So let's just one more time check here. Traders Way. So establish the group. Here we have the account. Maximum leverage 1 to 1,000. Think about it. That's why they allow $10. I mean, look, think about it. You have $10 in the account, yeah, and you trade 10,000. One single pip may wipe out your whole account. A single pip, the spread of the fucking trade will kill your account. That's how much the leverage is, basically. So or can kill your account very, very easily. So, this is why they give you high leverage, so that you will make a mistake and you will just burn and crash your account in an instant, like nothing happened. So here you see already that those guys for sure are offshore. They wouldn't give you this kind of leverage. US number, no real name, no anything, so red flag. But back to the regulated company. So 1 to 30 leverage is what we have here. So you see the European entity doesn't have high leverage. So they're likely to suggest to you, hey, how about you go to our other entity over there on this nice island outside of Europe, and you can have high leverage. This is so much better. And that's the kind of narrative that you might be getting. And that's what we see. A lot of brokers actually shuffle their clients to their offshore entities. Same name, same website, same everything. It's just going to be with a different entity of them, a different IQ option Mauritius or Seychelles or whatever it might be. I don't know. But let's go back to regulation, terms and conditions. Have a look at this stuff. I know nobody likes reading, but knowledge is power, guys. I really, really mean that. Risk disclosure, because this is important. Why is it important? Because there's so many risks associated with trading financial instruments. Then there is market risk, there is liquidity risk, there is OTC counterparty risk, and this is what Forex is, by the way, an over-the-counter market. It means like it's a in a way decentralized market, not completely because there's centralized players in there. Risk associated with trading CFDs or cryptocurrencies. Risk associated with trading cryptocurrencies. Technical risks, okay, like if the thing crashes. Abnormal risks associated with the laws of certain governments, okay. Risk with the trading platform. Communication risk. Force majeure risk. Third-party risk. This is really not what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Conflicts of interest. And listen up very, very, very closely now. So what does it say here on the website? When we deal with you as a client, our associates, relevant persons, or some other persons connected with us may have an interest, relationship, or arrangement that is in conflict with your interest as our client. Think about it. They're telling you, hey, we may have a conflict of interest with you, our client. Okay. Continuing from the above point, the following occurrences may give rise to a conflict of interest entailing a material risk of damage to the interests of one or more clients as a result of providing investment services. So they're saying over the course or in the course of them providing their services, they may create material risk of damage to your interests. Who's the client? I mean, think about that for a moment. Now, what are those risks? Number one, we execute your orders as a principal. So that means, what does it mean? It means you're not trading with the market guys. You're trading with them as the principal. They are the counterparty to your trade. When you buy, they take the other side. When you sell, they take the other side. You're not trading with the market. You're trading with the middlemen, them. They are your market. This is what they're telling you here. We execute your orders as a principal. And listen to this, I can't even believe that. And our revenues are largely generated from your trading losses. Like, fuck, what more do you need to read? This is black on fucking white. Sorry for cursing too much, but it shows you they're not even making this a secret. They're making it largely generated from your trading losses. So it means most of their earnings come from your losses. And this is the interesting part, another interesting part, we may pay inducements to third parties for the referral of new clients or clients trading. So could it be, just for a moment, that the 6 million guy, might be that guy who brings clients here and get paid from them by basically clients' losses, I believe this is absolutely the case, and because this is how the structure of affiliates and IBs work. And let me remind you, the guy only sends you to a landing page. And actually, even if you go to IQ option, you can see it then in the bottom left. It even shows you the link, IQ option, LB Mobile Partner, PWA affiliate 28216. So there you have it, So this guy definitely is an affiliate to IQ option, and IQ option definitely largely generates its profits from your trading losses, okay? And it may pay from these losses to third parties who refer clients that are trading. Bummer, right? this is how the industry works, and you have it black on white here. So really, I mean, there's no point to continuing the video because all the rest is just appealing to people's insecurities so they can finally get on this broker, start trading, high leverage, copy the signals. Maybe let's have a look at the signals also. But okay, a little bit more of the video. Come on.
And I'm still actually hoping for more. To be honest, Forex just really requires a bit of simple skill. It's really not hard to master. You just got to get used to it. Forex is like a game. It reminds me of, GTA. The better you get at the game, the more money you're making.
Come on. Forex is like a game, bro. It's like playing GTA. By the way, even being a professional in GTA is not easy. I mean, try to be a professional streamer, whatever player in the GTA space. It's fucking hard. And he makes it sound like trading is just like, dabbling around. It's like, it's so easy, anyone could do it. And that's absolutely not true. Make no mistake, guys, and understand. Trading is a high performance activity. Very few percentages win. Why? How many people want to become a football player and end up being one? How many percentage of people want to be a professional painter, author, whatever it is, not even only art stuff, anything that is high performance that really requires dedication of your every being to it has a very little chance of success in the big picture because so many people give up halfway through or some way down that road. So that's why, make no mistake, Forex trading or trading in general is a high performance activity, and or even rappers, like if you want to be a rapper, how many people set out to become one and really become one? It's the same kind of thing. There are not many people will make it down that road for the fact that it takes lifelong dedication, a lot of effort and consistent effort. And if I see him just making it sound like, come on, spend your last money, I'm a screw up, like you, and give me your last money. I'm going to give it to IQ Option. They're going to give it to me. And then it's as easy as a game. Yeah, it is. For him, it's as easy as a game because they put all the stuff up, and then all they do is they pay for ads, so the traffic comes on it, and it creates basically clients over time. Again and again and again, automatically. They do nothing. They pay ads, they scale the ads that work, they get the money back from the broker, the clients get in, they use the signals, they lose the money, and this is how the whole machine works. And I singled out this guy now because I got this video from my team, but there's too many of those guys. So many do exactly just that. And it's really upon you guys, if you think like Forex is a scam and none of trading is legit, I can't even blame you. Look look at the guy with his free screens and his sunglasses all by himself. So really appeal to common sense. Use your fucking brain for a moment, okay? And then continue to use it. And this shit is not gonna appeal to you. It's preying on insecurities, really. And speaking of insecurities, how you become confident? By becoming good at something, by not having your validation out of how people see you, of how you, longing material success, that this is going to make you whole. No, insecurity is not dealt with this way. Insecurity is dealt by really creating legit confidence, and confidence comes from being a creator, of creating something, a contributor, of contributing value, of really doing something that you can be proud of, that fulfills not just your money, but more than that, and this is really important that you figure this out, that you understand this, that you want to be successful in life, you need to go down that road.
Some of the best things that Forex has allowed me to do is really live the millionaire lifestyle. I've been able to live my dreams and do things I could literally never imagine, like sleeping in this $6 million mega mansion and cruising in like $500,000 Lamborghinis at 23 years old. But I still work harder every single day, and I plan on achieving a lot more. I was raised to work hard, so I guess you could call this the start of something huge.
And that's the next thing. Like, I was raised to work hard. Like, he's appealing to just keep on doing, bro. It's gonna work out, And in general, to put in effort and to continue down a certain road for a while and really needing to invest more than what you're getting back for some time. This is how success works. I agree with that. But if it's there's a difference between a fool and someone who's not. If you just foolishly continue to do the same shit, you cannot expect different results. You have to grow as you continue to do things. You have to uncover new areas of challenges, improvements, details, and work on those one by one, single them out systematically, based on data, on measurable, tangible stuff, and not just, keep on going, bro. One day, you're gonna be it, Like, no, you're not, Talk about what you're gonna do today. Talk about what you're gonna do in the next half an hour, and really put in specific steps, specific action that you can measure, that you can write down, that you can document. And this is how the attitude of you gotta continue down that road works. If you don't, if you just appeal to keep struggling, then it's like in a hamster's wheel, They can run all they want, but they're not getting anywhere. Why? So let's see what the guy does now. Follow my lifestyle.
Okay, so the market is moving fast now. Let's go back
now the
inside.
market's
I
fast.
just took another trade from my
Earlier the market was slow. Now it's fast. It changed all the time.
phone. I got some serious money to make. It seems like the banks are starting to make the market move, and I can't miss this opportunity. It's an easy $2,000 profit in just a few hours. So yeah, come follow me. Let's go back inside and take these trades.
All right, show us this trade. Come on. Time to
Okay,
make
so I
some
just
money.
sold Euro USD, a perfect sell opportunity, and I'm also thinking about buying Great British Pound and
Okay, so he sold euro dollar.
literally, what the hell is going on in the markets right now? Today, the market is moving like lightning. But this is why I love Forex. It moves so fast.
Like
Money can be
lightning.
made so fast when you know how to play it. And the best part is there's constant opportunities. You can never not find a trade to take. It literally seems right now there's a major headline that's just come out, which is why the market is moving fast. But news can actually, help you profit if you know how to play it right. And
It's true. News do move markets. News have the ability to move price. But again, you need to have a specific action plan. Like, okay, if the news comes this way, and the market reacts in that way, then I want to do that. This is where I'm entering. This is where I'm exiting. This is the idea. This is the risk reward. This is how many times I've tested that. I'm seeing none of these details anywhere.
as you can see, the market is just moving insane. It's going fast. But anyway, I'm going to go and make some food. I need some energy. And, I'm going to come back
Didn't
to
he
the
just
chart.
have breakfast?
And this is literally why I love Forex, because the fact is my office is right there. But I can also go out and make food or, have lunch wherever I want and trade wherever I want. I can go outside.
And this again, guys, same for me. Like, I've been working on my commute is literally a couple steps from one room in the house to the next one. I've been doing this for over a decade, like about 10 years now. And it's great, but it has a different dynamic, Sometimes it's also good to leave the house, go to a different office, meet people, discuss things. But to get stuck in a commute every day, to work for somebody else, to give your life power, your energy, your time to spending, I don't know, like a significant percentage of your day just stuck in traffic or sitting on a train or whatever. Right, this is shit. Like, I do see why he's saying that, because nobody likes that. But don't forget, he's not telling you these things because he's helping you to get out of that. He's helping you to do these things because he get payments from, as a third-party referral agent or affiliate. And this money has to come from somewhere. This is why the show is called Where Does the Money Come From? It's, from trading your trading losses. They make really no secret out of it. So let's move on here.
Buy the pool, take trades, and simple as.
Buy the pool, take trades. Right, exactly. It's as easy as playing GTA. 600.
So I'm about to close this trade in over $600. This took me 11 minutes of my day. I just sold Euro USD, as you can see. Just 11 flipping minutes. I might just.
So wait. So this is the trade line, right? So he said he sold. And actually, we see it on the screen. It's a sell order. Let's go back.
I might just have to book a new fake. Sold Euro USD, as you can see.
Here we sell it. It's a sell order. We see it here. 8 lots. 8 lots is 800,000. Okay. So if he sold 800,000 euros on what? Like a $10 account? You see what I mean, guys? Okay.
11 flipping minutes. I might just have to book.
So here's what I don't understand. This is a sell line. The price went down, so there was a profit in here. All right. But then it came back up. And actually, if the trade had been closed, this line would not be on anymore. It would have been closed. There wouldn't be a line. So basically, he held the trade. It went in his favor, but it bounced back against him, and he's still holding it.
Book a new vacation this week. This is
And that's all we're seeing. That's all we're seeing. We're not seeing even more of the right side of the screen. So it really, really takes stupid, blinded by the promise of fast money, easy money, to not see that. Again, even the screen he's showing, the chart of the trade doesn't add up. May I remind you of this? Your trading losses.
is a power that Forex trading has. You can literally make more money than ever in just seconds. As you saw, it took me 11 minutes.
You can make
just
more money than
$600.
ever.
But on some days, it actually takes me less than 10 minutes to make over $1,000 or more. Anyway, I think I'm done for.
Did he say thousands with an F? Is this the thousands guy? I think I've seen him before, right? I seen it as a meme. Is this the same guy? I guess.
For a few hours. I still got more trades open, and I'm hoping to actually take a few more trades later, make thousands of dollars, hopefully.
Thousands of dollars.
Now. I'm going to go get on with my day and monitor my charts from my phone and see how it all goes.
From his phone, it's that easy. How has Forex changed?
Forex trading has changed my life in every single way, to be honest. I've been able to live my dreams in every type of way. My dreams were simple: be successful, change my parents' lives, and live in a huge mansion like this. And most of all, travel the world.
All right. All these things that he's saying, everybody dreams of them. The thing is that you are making his dreams come true by your losses. That's the real problem here. And this is why, he's really just appealing to you guys to finance it.
Even have a computer because I'm never home. As you can see, I only ever
He doesn't even have a computer.
trade with my laptops or my phone because I'm constantly on the go. In fact, I'm actually visiting New York in 4 days, then Beverly Hills, then I think LA and some other place. I can't really remember.
This is some BS story. Like, look, I do this, I do that. I'm so great. You want to be like me, right? That's kind of what he's telling you. And he's telling you, like, you can have all of this. All you got to do is come here and put your money with IQ option and trade the signals.
How busy my schedule is. And I guess I'm still a young 23-year-old driving Lamborghinis, sleeping in mansions and stuff like that. But I guess it's a bit boring at sometimes. But I guess when you're young, these are the things you dream of as a kid. And I swear, it's only right that you follow your dreams.
Right, it's true. Follow your dreams is true, but you don't follow your dreams by copying somebody else's shit and laying on your fucking back. Get off your fucking ass and do something. Create something. Be a contributor to this world, and then you're gonna make bank for sure, But you cannot expect to get anywhere by just trying someone else to do it for you, because that's kind of what he's saying, like, hey, I can do it for you. You don't need to do a thing. When in reality, he's taking your money because of you believing someone else should do or could do your job. You were created, this perfectly human being that we are, with the capacity of creating shit, of changing the world, of building machines, of thinking things through. So use that potential instead of, just dump it down with some stupid money and a rented house and charts that don't add up and brokers that are not regulated and other brokers that tell you that they make their money from your losses. And really, if you're still attracted by this kind of stuff, when you see all these details, then maybe you like to torture yourself. I don't know. But if you don't see these things, then it has to do with your lack for attention to details. And that's what I want to change here. Let's talk about details and train our brain and eyes and perception to see things for what they are and not for the face value.
So when I'm away from the charts, I completely forget about all. Being a trader really requires a lot of thinking, and just one mistake can mess it up a lot.
True.
You need a clear mind. Once I actually forgot to put
check out my recommended broker. You only with $10 you could join the Millionaire Lifestyle. Enough said. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a wrap here. I hope that you really understand, and let me make my face big here again, that you understand why this stuff doesn't add up and why it doesn't work. You know what we didn't look at? Like, actually, we should do that still. Let's have a look at one other thing, which is the signals. I just want to see those signals, those great signals. Can we see the signals somewhere, bro? I want to see your signals. Come on, copy Forex signals. Where do we put the here we win rate? Pay now? No. Problems with payment? No. join the signals. Come on, give me a bite, man. Do you have a trial of the signal? Something somewhere? No, this is just paying. Earn profit. Follow these steps. No, this is this here again. Get started. How it works. No. Okay, there's no information other than that here. Win rate, 91.3%. Again, misleading number because it's incomplete. It doesn't tell you real information about what is going on. It tells you, okay, numbers of pips earned, 26,000. Okay, and numbers of lost pips, because you win and you lose pips. You know, it's the both sides. Like when you net both, it's what is your real profit. Number of winning trades, 4,851. How high is the number of losing trades? And even just the number of trades alone is just as much, not enough of information to understand whether that's good and bad. So guys, I really think I made my case here, and you can see, like, even this stuff I've seen before. Like, wait, where is the guy? FX Lifestyle, come here, give me this. Come here, because I think I've seen this before. Affiliate program. You know, you could even help the guy. You could earn up to 3,500 per person if you refer for the person you refer. Like, let me ask you one thing: if he's making $9 per subscription, and he's paying up to 3,500 per single person, how does the math add up? Is he that rich? Man, his trading must be insane. So this here, for example, top 10 affiliates, last 30 earnings. So those numbers, where do they come from? How real are they? We don't know. No? Do I I don't want to say like this is all lies or not, but all I'm saying is that I cannot verify any of that. And there's a number of things that we've seen, that we went through here, that are reasons enough to question whether the legitimacy or the veracity of what we're seeing here, right? And this is what we see here, because even that is the same thing. You know, top 10 VIP members, exactly the same template. So this is just the website template with some numbers. Do these numbers actually change? I don't know. Maybe we should check in 30 days again. Yeah. So, guys, I guess that's it for the very first video. I hope you enjoyed the format. And by the way, if you have anything you want me to look at, you know, some sort of a program out there, or anything really that interests you, that you would like to hear me have a look at, and while discussing it with you, then send me a message. You know, leave me a comment anyway. How do you like this video or not? What I could do differently? I'd be really interested to make this a thing, to do this more regularly. And yeah, right now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.